Make WordPress members can upload skills percentage and show it on their profile page. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to make your WordPress members can upload their skills percentage and show it on their profile page. By default, both WordPress and BuddyPress do not offer this feature. But you can have it for free. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once all plugins are active, navigate to Youzify panel, widget settings, and skills settings. You can change the widget title, allowed skills number, and loading effect. Next step, go to Profile Settings and Profile Settings. You can put the widget on the Overview tab or the sidebar. Now I log in with a non-admin account. And then go to Widget Settings and you will see the skill widgets. You can add your skills there. Click Add New Skill button. And then fill title, skill bar percent, and color. And let's see the results. You can see a skills percentage show on the profile page. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.